This drink is from a recipe for this podcast is from Death and Company, and it's called a Julius Orange. It just seems to be like very similar in name to a drink that you would get at the mall.
A franchise that we decided has baby aspirin in it, and that's why it tasted so good.
Just tastes like baby aspirin. It is a good. I like Orange Julius. Julius's. I don't know how to say that. Julii. I like them. And this drink is delicious. It's from Death and Company, which is a really good cocktail bar in New York, which I'm going to go to next time I'm in New York. And it's delicious. It has cream in it, which both Jennifer and I normally don't do drinks with cream because we both
It's the Mediterranean part of us. Our dad
Mediterranean.
used to fart a lot, and it was disgusting. He'd clear a room until he found lactate in the 80s.
Blame us. Remember that?
Yeah, I'd be like, Jenny.
Yeah, Jenny, why are you going to fart? And all our friends would be in the car and he'd like fart and then blame it on us. Anywho, I'm going to be I'm going to give you the specs for this drink. It is 2 ounces of Curacao, which is use Pierre Ferrand Curacao, a half ounce of dark rum. We used Caruba, which is cheap and delicious. Use the dark rum of your choice, I suppose, but Caruba is really good for this.
Yeah. Good.
Half ounce of lemon juice. These are not my readers. I'm getting old. Let's see, a half ounces of lemon juice, a teaspoon of vanilla syrup, which is just simple syrup with I get a vanilla bean and I cut it open and scrape it in there. And that's how I make vanilla syrup, and a half ounce of heavy cream and a dash of orange bitters, which I add at the end. Now you short shake it. I just described to you the very complicated term short shaking, which just means don't shake it for as long as you normally do.
Get a very short person and have them shake your drink.
Little people, big shake.